Okay, so we have another really great bundle here. This is something that you can utilize if you need really deep hydration and basically kind of building up the quality of your skin and giving it that glow that you really are looking for. So the refresher combination that I have organized here can be done twice a day. It can be done in the morning after you shower or in the evening before you go to bed. You can double it up or you can do just once a day, but either way you're going to benefit. So depending on what your needs are, if your skin tends to be more dry, you might want to do twice a day, or if you tend to be more oily, maybe just once a day would be fine. First step is the opening the door. So this is the glycolic acid pad, which is something that you can use to reduce any kind of oils or dead skin cells, that sort of thing, and kind of swipe it gently all over your whole face. Don't use it as a scrub. It's not meant to be that. It's more like a solution or like a toner. Okay, but it will open up the door so that whatever you put on next is going to go in really well. So the next step would be the Glow C. So the Glow C is a really potent vitamin C serum that I've created. The effects of vitamin C basically are well recognized in the literature to support the cell, especially the surface cells, to make them more available for healing and more plump and hydrated. The other thing that's interesting about vitamin C is that it also is one of the building blocks of collagen. So it has all these different effects in one product. Also, it's very gentle and it feels great and naturally sourced like all of my products, but this is a great one for the step 2. Step 3 would be the hyaluronic acid, which is a water-loving molecule. So it's gonna just hold on to whatever hydration that you have in your skin. It will keep it there. It also adds its own hydration, of course, and then it keeps it there for usually about 6 to 8 hours. So something you can put on in the morning and you can reapply it in the evening, but it's something that will really make your skin have that special glow that no one will understand, like how your skin looks so fresh and so good. This is the magic here.